It's here.
Oh, Koki.
That's here.
That's a fluff.
Don't do. You want flawless.
Then a cake.
Take the I took the 1,000. No, I'm pack them.
Pretty. For 1,000. To cook Koki beans in Cameroon, you need to buy your Koki beans. That is how some people call it. However, another name for it is black-eyed peas, but many people might not know it like that. So just call it Koki beans, depending on your location. Most times, people tend to soak their beans overnight and wash in the morning. However, that is not what we do. We soak for 30 minutes to soften and then use our hands to mash in order to peel the beans. Then we start to strain and then wash, strain. That's just it. Now let's proceed. Make sure you pick or select your beans very well. Most often they have stones in them, especially at the bottom. In the course of washing, you'll be selecting.
You want to remove that small stone there. Do the tea. Tell the girl use small. I've been see the girl say no the tea. Get that rice for that pot. You can't move and put that fowl for them. You'll fit. I hope so you know run till the fear. Put that.
To roughly grind this, you can use your blender or you can take it to a machine.
You see.
No problem. Yes. Most times you do not grind until smooth, and you equally do not always need a mortar and pestle to go through this. I'll show you in another video.
Wash that banana. You see, we'll put them a cover and something. Put the potatoes on top.
Hey, talk say no. You don't get to put them under. They put cover the potatoes on top. So that means you not absorb too much water.
Don't put oil. This man. Yes, I would put them now. Because when I put oil, they have small water. I give it. Now, how with the high school?
Say 1.5 now.
Yeah.
It is.
It is.
Ashama. Leave our cleaner.
You first put oil. We don't put it on enough. We put a. Off the water.
The oil is not.
Oil make it soft and it come off fine. Oil too. You got the oil we work for this way. No fine no.
They're not Koki where they kick.
That one. And knock away the knocker so. The knock and plenty is that come off whole. And I want the oil. But if I say the pot it goes. Anyway, strong.
Okay, the water too now for let me no strong.
Yes. Okay. This now one more time.
No flop.
Now. Garnish it. Some people they do one you choose. You like to garnish it.
Small.
This one contains protein. This leaf is vegetable, not so. Just covering it so that it should not come out. Okay. See now. Mommy told me that this leaf is last year and it's strong. Always, man, the one I want to now. If you like. You feel better so. Feel better so. There. Oh, the tire.
Yes,
You know the tire. Wow. You feel could broke the leaf. Yes, there. Let's see.
Yes, Mama.
See. Like this. Fold this my leaf so that the mouth will come together. Are you seeing?
Yeah.
Fold this leaf and they start from this corner like this. Fold it like this so that the mouth should come together. Because if it does not come together, in fact I fold it here now. Folded it all one place. Put like this. Like this.
Oof. Oh, mommy. That's a Koki in this bowl here. Then that other one, that corner too is showing the same problem.
Which one?
That's the same problem with this one here.
Wait and see.
Eh? Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Put on middle now. No, put on middle. It's not feel long.
I don't know.
Read
Read that potatoes.
No, not. And the Koki big.
Fine.
Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share and leave me a comment if you'll be trying this out.
Cookie they like cake.
Yes.
Everything. They like cake.
Take the pot. You see her?
Oh, Koki.
That's yeah.
That's the fluff.
Don't do. You want floor loves.